Alright, I got a new case for my Galaxy S9. I already had the OEM cases. This is the Samsung military case. This is the foam deal clear view. This is the LED cover with the pocket. And from Amazon, I got a leather one. iPulse. Pretty good packaging. It's a little pouch thing. Inside the pouch, nothing touches this. A lot of words here. I'll read that at some point. Alright, so there's the actual case. And there's the little magnet cover. It was pretty nice. So, it does seem like some work went into this. It was about $30 on Amazon Prime. It said Prime 2-day, but it actually came in 1 day. This little card here. Dallas, Texas. Alright, so let's pop this guy out. Record, I have the Coral Blue Samsung S9 Plus. They have these for the regular and the Plus. So this is not a hard shell. Like it's like a rubber guy. So you can see it fits. Magnet's pretty good. It's like it doesn't shut the screen off when the magnet closes. Let's try again. I'm gonna close that. Okay, so the screen apparently stays on, but it's not a big deal. There's your camera. You can see you can access your ports just fine. And you should be able to access your buttons here, alright. Pretty much the same size as the clear view case, maybe a little wider. It feels like real leather. Obviously, these are always on, but you do gain several pockets here. And I'll test it with wireless charging. I guess it would, stand up like that as well. There you go. So stands up. Alright, so I'm going to use this for the day and I'll follow up a little bit later on. Alright, so I'm going to test this now on the charger. And that blue light comes on so you know it is charging. And there you go, so you can see there. It is fast charging. And of course it works sideways too. You can still see the blue light there. Oh no, it's a good case. I like it. I do miss having the always on display, obviously, which is why I generally use this one still. But like as I've said in other videos, when I travel, I like to have a case like this that covers up, so I don't want people seeing my screen. So I will keep this and I will be using it, and this is convenient too. Alright, that's all. I'll have a link in the description. It's the iPulse.